Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. So this is the series of MB330. So in this video we'll discuss about our disposition code and location directive. Okay, so first of all let's understand about our disposition code. Okay, so usually whenever an item will arrive into your warehouse, so you usually check, right, whether that item is damaged or it is not damaged, right, whether you can put this in inventory or not. So for this one we have the concept of disposition code. Okay, now let's see how you can create the disposition code. So for that you can again go to your advanced warehouse, this warehouse management, and then go to setups. Here you have your mobile device, here you have disposition code. Open this. Okay, if you see, already there are few disposition code already available. Okay, so let's create our own. Okay, the important thing here is your inventory status. Okay, either your inventory is available or either it is blocked. Okay, so for example I will call it as ready, right? Ready simply means that is available. Similarly, now I will create another one named as not ready and I'm going to block it. Save. So my disposition code is created. Okay, so whenever the items will arrive at that time it will useful for me. Okay, now the next thing is we'll talk about our inbound location directive. Okay, so for that again I will go to my setups and then where is my location directive? So the first thing is that second, let me open notepad. So this location directive, so it actually tells system what items from where to put and all this kind of information. Okay, so let me go to my warehouse management, setup and location directive. Okay, and now here if you can see we have multiple work order type, right? So I'm going to select here purchase one. Okay, now like try to understand it. Okay, and here if you see already one sequence is defined here. Okay, so if you see here you have your line, your location directive line and action as well. Okay, now what I am going to do, I will click on new here. Okay, and let me go here, and here the first thing is that I can say location directive example, something like this. Okay, now we have the different kind of work type. Okay, picking your item, putting your item, counting, adjustment, custom, etc, etc. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this put one. Okay, we are going to put this, right? Then here I'm going to select my specific warehouse. Okay, so the new warehouse that we have created few minutes back is, I think, one second, let me see, I think I should able to find out. Okay, anyway, let me go with this 31 only. Okay, I will add my warehouse, this site will automatically pop up. Okay, and I can save this. Okay, now if you see the location directive work type is put. Okay, and in which warehouse this activity will be performed, this will be in 30. Okay, and then yeah, here I can add my line. Now if you see, this is the sequence here. Okay, now what I'm saying, if we have the quantity from 0 to 200, okay, 0 to 200, second, let me here. So if this scenarios matches, then what we need to do, okay, here we'll define inside our location directive action. Okay, so I can open this. Okay, now here we need to give a name, or either we can use query as well. If you click on this edit query, here you can tell what action we need to perform. Okay, now here what I can do, I can simply add my purchase order, and here let me select my location, and here I will specify it as 30. I will click OK. Okay, and let me try to save this, and now I will again add this. Here I will give it a name, fresh. Okay, let me save this. Alright, now our location directive is ready. Okay, so yeah, now this is ready. We have seen about location directive as well. So for example, whenever you will use this location directive, so it will tell, okay, for example, you need to do this first action. Okay, so the put is the first activity. Okay, the quantity should be between it. Okay, and then once you have it here, then your sequence is this bulk first. Okay, and here if you see 30 bulk. Okay, similarly the second sequence here would be this one. Okay, putting, you have selected your warehouse, your quantities, etc, etc. We'll use all of them in our next upcoming videos. Okay, so then we'll able to understand it more. Okay, so even you can move it to up down, and you can even copy this and you can create one more here. For example, you can copy and go here and you can create one more. Okay, for now let me delete it. Okay, so typical example here, if you see the sales order one here, you are going to pick it, right? You are going to put into a stage. Okay, then you are going to put into bay door. Okay, so everything will be mentioned here. So thank you for watching this video.